Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the dashboard of GymForce, which is the first profile of the GymForce software. As you can see, there is a filter option over here. You can choose or filter out each and every information on the basis of the present date, on the weekly basis, monthly, and the yearly basis. Right now we are using it as a yearly basis option. So here is the data. And if you click on the monthly basis, so the data will get changed. So here we can go with the dashboard, which shows the active members right now, the pending bills, the total collection, and the total expenses. Whatever you are watching here is the front profile of it. Okay, you can directly check the active members, which are 17, irregular members, which are 22, and pending bills, which are 31. So this is the basic all over review of each and every information over here. As we go through the another option, another section, which is revenue versus expenses. So on the basis of the month, you can check your revenue and expense over that particular month, which is shown here, the revenue and expense, which is 95,000 and 30,000. If you come on the right side, which is members matrix, it basically shows the matrix between the new and the existing member. So if I come on the November month, so there are 22 old members and 16 new members are there. On the basis of month and numbers, you can categorize each one of them. If I come over the top membership plan, so you can see here the membership plan which you are providing to the members are shown here, and the particularly active members or the membership purchase members, which is shown here, that 6 members have purchased your plan and 14 members have purchased your basic membership. Okay, and if we come to the total payment modes, so the cash payment, Google payment, and the phone pay payment, whatever medium you are using is shown here, the amount which you have received from this particular payment and the members which have paid. And you want to follow up for that person, or you have to contact that person again in future, so you can directly add that particular person in this option, and it will show up to this inquiry follow-ups. As you can see, if I click on these three dots, you can create a follow-up for this particular person. You can add the response of on this particular option, a status which is interested, and reminders of 27/11/2024. This is the reminder date on which you have to contact that person, and the name is Vikas Singh. If I come to this particular section, which is upcoming expiry, the expiries which are coming in this particular month is shown here. Like as I can see the example of Jitendra, 19/12/2014. On 19th date, the expiry of this particular month member and the membership is Demo X will expire on this particular date with the amount of pending amount of 2,864. You can directly contact this thing from by placing a call and connecting with this particular person on the WhatsApp. And you also have this particular options for paid use, extend due date, renew. You can also renew the whole membership of this person. You can add on days. You can add on days in the membership for this particular member. You can transfer the ownership and you can cancel this member also. If I come on the due date, due which are still left to be paid by some peoples. Like if I take the example of Jitendra Singh, 2,864 is still due, as we have watched right here right now. 2,864 is still due. You can directly contact, WhatsApp them. If they have paid, you can update the payment status from here, and you can extend the due date also. This is the option which shows the due amount by the members for the particular membership. If I come on the expiry section, the expiry section shows the expired membership plan of the members. If I take the example of Pushkar, so the membership has already been expired on 29th of November 2024, and still there is a due amount of 2,150. So you have to take this amount from this person. You can directly call him, send the message on the WhatsApp, and you also have three dots here which have multiple options which I have explained you earlier also. If I come on this particular last section, which is membership birthdays, all the birthdays of today, last week, and the upcoming week will be shown here. So this is the all over review of the dashboard. That's all the review of the dashboard of this GymForce. And thank you for choosing GymForce. Have a great day. Hello everyone. In the previous video, we have discussed about the dashboard of GymForce. In this video, we will discuss about the inquiry section. If I click on the inquiry section, all the inquiries which you have made inside the GymForce will be shown here, like the name of the inquiry person, the visited date, category status, and joining date, and the status, current status of that particular member, whether he is converted or he is still pending. And the date expired is also shown here. Okay, if you come to the top side, here is the gist and the summary of the inquiry section, like total visitors, non-converted, converted, interested, and conversion ratio. If you want to add any inquiry, so you can directly click on this add button. You have to fill out these details positively, and you can also click on the filter button for filtering it down on the basis of day, yesterday, week, month, and the year. Okay. And if you want to create a follow-up for any member, you can directly go through this particular three dots and create a follow-up. And you can select the medium like call and status is outgoing and the reminder is for 24th of December. When you click on this submit follow-up, so it will automatically be created. And if you want to see the follow-ups, you can directly click on the inquiry section and then follow-up option. If you click in this follow-up option, all the follow-ups will be shown to you on this particular option. And if you want to add an inquiry without even like clicking on this particular add option, you can directly add it from here also. Like add inquiry, just mention the details and then press to the continue. So that's all the inquiry section is. And hope you have liked this video. And thank you for using GymForce. Have a great day. If you want to see the follow-ups for the particular member, you can directly click on this follow-up button. Here, all the follow-ups are there and the responses. I have to make a call. I will join on 7th December. These are the responses which you can make on the real-time basis that will help you to see whatever the response and what the concern of that particular member is. So you can directly check it from here, and you can also search for each and every person. You can filter out on the basis of date and all the categories, year, month, and weeks. So that's all the inquiry section is, and hope you like this video. And thank you for choosing GymForce. Have a great day. Hello everyone. In the previous video, we have discussed about the inquiry section, but in this video, we will discuss about the member section. So in the particular member section, you can see all the details, the summarized version at the top, like the total members, active members, upcoming members, expired members, and the present members. And here at the bottom side, you can see the list of the members. All the members which you have inserted or inputted the details of the members will be shown here, and all the details like their due amount, their membership validation, status, gender, and what the membership they have taken, and the name of that member is shown in this particular section. Right now you can see 3,659 is the due amount from the path. So you can directly contact path on the WhatsApp, on the phone, and you can also do the needful, like edit his profile. If you want to add something, if he pays the due, you can you can update from here. If Parth want to extend the date, if you want to extend the date, you can choose this option. You can renew the membership. You can add days on. You can transfer the membership, you can cancel out it, and you can delete the particular member from here, from the membership section. You can also use this search button to search out any particular member. You can filter out from here, from the range, like on the basis of year, month, weeks. and you can also add a particular member from this button. And yes, the same function is also done by this particular button, which is add button over here. So when you click on this add button, it will automatically revert to this particular page in which you have to mention the details of each and every member, the name, date, phone number, and the membership details, which is general training, personal training. You all have to mention this thing. So that's all the membership pages in the membership section. Hope you liked this video. So thank you for choosing GymForce. Have a great day. Hello everyone. In the previous video, we have discussed about the member option, like all the members. In this video, we will discuss about the membership option. Like if I go to the membership, so the membership list is there. And in the top side, you can see the overview of this particular membership list, which is a general training, personal training, group exercises, and deleted one. So basically, the membership which is taken by the members is shown in this particular section. Here you can see the due amount is there, which is 3,659, whose name is Parth, and he is an active member right now. Membership details are there, and the session which he have took and which is allotted to him. The validation date and the expiry date is mentioned over here. You can directly contact this person by clicking on this phone option, and you can also send WhatsApp message to this person. You can directly email, and you can also create the invoice directly from here. If I click in the invoice, so it will automatically be created here, as you can see. So, and on this, clicking on this three dot option, you can use this another tools, which is renew, extend date, and pay now. So that's all the membership list is. Now we will go to the due option right now. When I click on this due, all the due amount from the different members will be shown here on the basis of missed one and the upcoming one. Okay. And if you can directly contact particular person by making a call or by sending the WhatsApp message to that particular person. If he has paid the amount, you can directly update the status from here, or you can extend the due date also. You can also search the particular member and filter out on the basis of year, month, and weeks. At the top, you can see the summarized version of each and everything, like total collection is how much, and the missing dues count is how much, and the total collected amount, and the upcoming dues count also. Like in this particular month, only two members are there which have the due amount for this month. Now, if I come to the upcoming expiries, all the expiries which are coming in this particular month or this year will be shown in this section. We're on upcoming expiries. Here is the name of the member, the membership details, validation, and due date. Due amount, which is 2,864 of Jitendra, is still pending. So upcoming expiry for this month is for Jitendra Singh, as I can see. I can directly contact that person by making a call on WhatsApp also, and also can edit his profile by canceling, transferring, and renewing by using all these options. If I come to the expired one, all the expiries and all the membership which has been expired prior will be shown here. The membership name, membership details, validation, due amount, and I can directly contact this particular person by making a call WhatsApp, and I can use these three dots option also. If any expiry is still pending, like for Pushkar, the expiry is also there, which is 2,150. I can directly contact Pushkar, make sure that the payment will be done. So that's all the membership section is. In this particular membership section, I've explained you each and everything, including the membership dues, upcoming expiries, and the expiries. So that's all the membership section is. Hope you like this video. See you in the next video, and thank you for choosing GymForce. Have a great day. Hello everyone. In the previous video, we have discussed about the membership options. In this video, we will discuss about the finance one. So in the finance option, you can see all invoices are there on all invoices section. So the payment which has made by the members will be shown in this particular section. At the top, you can see the summarized version of each and every payment, like the fresh payment, renewals payment, due payments, and the total amount which has been collected yet. Okay. So particular, if I take an example of Parth, if you want to select and if you want to send any email to Parth or any invoice of Parth, you can directly send the email from here by clicking on this email option. And if you want to see that, you can see that invoice has been sent. So automatically on the registered email ID, the invoice will be shared. And if you want to print any invoice or see invoice of Parth, so you can directly click on this I button and you can see the invoice of the Parth, like the amount paid and the amount balance which is due right now, which is 3,659, have to still pay by the member. And you can see here the subtotal of 20,000 and the GST which is applied and the grand total which is 23,659. So all the details of the invoice will be mentioned here. You can download this invoice by clicking on this download PDF. You can also send invoice to the path on the registered Gmail. Yes, that's all the invoice section is. You can also search it out and filter it out on the basis of these particular options. Okay. Okay, now if I come on the expense section, you can see here total expenses are there, rent expenses there. You can also categorize each and every expense by clicking on this particular select category. And if you want to see the rent options only, the rent which you have paid for the gym, you can directly click on this particular select category and on rent. And here you will see all the payments related with the rent. If you want to see the payment, you can add expense from this particular option by clicking add the amount, then expense date, which is a current date only, and you can also create for the previous date also. Okay, select the category and payment mode you can set, which is cash, bank transfer, each and everything, and you can directly add expense. It will be updated on this particular option here, and you can directly click on this rent also, so you can see all the amount which is related to the rent. Now if I come to the attendance, if I come on the attendance option, so attendance section shows how many members are present today and how many members are absent today. Right now, if you can see, the total members are 22, the present members are 0 because I have not updated yet. If I mark one of them as attended, so it will be updated as 1. Present members are 1, absent members are 21. You can also update the status of absent members or the present members with the help of biometrics. You can directly click on this present member. So all the members which are present will be shown here, absent staff also and present staff also. If there is any need to mark down the attendance of a particular member, you can mark it down manually also. And by clicking on this three dot, you can also call that person that why he is not present, or you can contact him from here from WhatsApp. You can renew the details of that person, extend the due date and the payment dues. You can also use this search button for searching a particular member, whether he is present or not, rather than going up this particular option, which is you have to click on this particular member and 816 members are there. So this is that one. Without even doing that, you can click on the particular search option. Then if I search Vishwajit, then automatically Vishwajit will come and the basic member active, and you can directly contact that person from here by on this number. That's all the finance section is about the attendance, expenses, and invoice. I have covered all these three aspects of finance. So hope you have liked this video, and thank you for choosing GymForce. Have a great day. Hello everyone. In previous video, we have discussed about the staff section. Today we will discuss about the center settings. In center settings, if I click on the center settings, So the first option which came is settings. In this particular option, you can create the all over profile of your gym. Your gym logo you can add, your gym name you can add, contact, email, WhatsApp address, each and everything, including the terms and conditions, you can add in this particular section. Okay, so this is all the basic details section is. If I go on the tax and legals, you can add the GST of the company, GST number, and the business name in this particular option. And by clicking on the save button, you can also save the options and the details for this one. If I go to the social connections, you can mention the Instagram ID on this particular option and the Facebook username, as I can take like this one. You can also mention your YouTube channel in this particular section, the directions, the website if you have any, and just click on the save button to save each and every detail. As you can see, successfully updated. So that's all the center settings are. This is all the center settings. The three aspect which I have covered can also be accessed from here, like social connections and the tax and legals. Hope you have liked this video and thank you for choosing GymForce. Have a great day. Hello everyone. In the previous video, we have discussed about the subscription section, but today in this video we will discuss about the configuration section, which is the last section. Let's continue with this. Here are some different options as you can see, which is training categories. Here you can make and add the categories of the training, like what are the different kind of training you are providing, like weightlifting, powerlifting, CrossFit, cardio. You can add the categories by clicking on this particular add option by mentioning the name of that particular category and just by clicking on the create button. It will be added to this particular section. This is all about the category section is you can edit from here and you can also disable and enable each and every category from here. Like if you want to disable the weightlifting, so you can directly click on this particular option and the weightlifting get disabled. If you want to edit it, you can click on this pencil and edit. And if you want to delete any category, you can click on this delete button. If I go with the payment mode or the payment section, you can add the payment modes here. The same thing you can do. You can enable and disable any payment mode. You can add the payment. Like if I add the SBI payment, if I click on this add button, so the payment will get updated. SBI payment, the status is active right now. You can edit it and delete it. If I go for the master plan, you can add the master plans, which is you can add the master package by clicking on this add option. You can click on this title, which is a membership name, and package type you have to select from here, the maximum cost and the minimum cost. You can also categorize the valid duration value from the with the help of day and month. If I select the month one, so I have to add this as a, if I provide any kind of package for 2 months, so I have to mention the number 2, just 2, and automatically it will give me 60 session for that. Each session is for 1 day. So 2 months equal to 60 days. So each session is of 1 day. And I can directly click on this particular add button for adding this particular member, for adding this particular membership package and master package. I can also edit each and every package and also can delete it. The next option is staff shifts. If I go on this, you can add the shift timing of the staff. Like for an example, Zumba session is from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. So you can enable it and disable it. It's all up on your preference. You can edit it and delete it. Also can add the shift from here. You just have to mention the name of that particular session, like 60 days bodybuilding section. 1844 to 2249 and create shift. So the shift get added, which is 60 days bodybuilding, 6:44 p.m. to 9:49 p.m. I can also enable and disable the status. If I want to disable it, just click on it, it will get disabled. If I come on the member batches, you can add the batches where whatever the batches is going on your gym and you are providing. Just click on this add button, mention the details, capacity, starting time and ending time, and then click on this add button which is available over here. It will shown in this particular batch list. You can also filter it out with the basis of favorites and alls, and you can also disable and enable the particular batch. You can also edit it and delete it. If I come on the enrollment fee, if you are charging any enrollment fee, like for an example, 50 rupees is the default enrollment fee, and you can also add the different enrollment fee for the verification fee. It's 400 rupees. And if I click on this add button, so the 400 verification fee will get add, and I can enable and disable the status. I can edit it and delete it. If the particular message for a particular thing, like for the if you want the WhatsApp welcome message, you can click on the add button and you can just mention the WhatsApp message here, and you can write down the message in this particular section and then create. Automatically the welcome message will be created, and it will show like, hi member name, welcome to the gym, and like this. And each and every time whenever you want to send the message, you can always choose from these particular options. You can enable and disable the status of these messages, and you can also edit them. You can also filter out on the basis of the all and favorites. So this is the WhatsApp template section is. You can edit from here, and you can also mention the fields which are already been given to you. And if we come for the last but not the least option, which is the notification. Here you can see the WhatsApp notifications are there. Like for an example, if a membership is expiring of a particular member, so how many days prior you want the message, or how many days prior you want to send the message to the particular member or this particular section. So on that same day when the expiry is there, if you want to inform that particular member on the same day on the expiry, so you can click on this today. Or if 2 days prior, so you can click this 2 days, 15 days prior, 15, and so on. And the membership expired, you also you can select the available options. For the payment notification, you can select the available options, attendance, and other notification like birthdays and membership assignment. So these are the available options. For owners also, it's available like the daily task report and the daily basis summary. All the options are available here. For the Gmail also, the available options are membership expiry on the basis of today, 2 days prior, 15 days prior, and the other options are there as you can see here. Also, you can see your current remaining credits at the top right corner. Like available credits are 23, validity is on October 15, 25, and last purchase is November 22, 2024. You can also buy the credits, credit button. You can also mute and disable the WhatsApp reminders by clicking on this mute button particularly. So that's all the configuration settings, and the configuration section is including the notification one. I insist to use GymForce much more prominently, and thank you for being a member of this GymForce. Have a great day.